Well, hi there, pluckers. I've Sore Fingers again with hopefully another interesting little ditty for you. Classic song, of course, from Dire Straits, Mark Knopfler, and Private Investigations. This is obviously a very much shortened version, just showing you all the main parts of the song put together. Obviously, so once you've got those parts under your belt, you can do the whole song, basically, okay? So, there are many ways to play this song. I've seen there's lots of different versions of it on YouTube, but this is my take on it for a single acoustic guitar. Try not to make it too difficult, but again, not too simple, to give you a little bit of a challenge, okay? So there's the preview for it. I'm going to come back a little bit later with the lesson. I'm not sure, it might be one or two parts yet, but the lesson will follow shortly. Thanks very much for watching, listening. Hope you enjoyed that. See you later.